money bosses. Welcome and welcome back to Money Boss in the Making. But right now, you guys, we're on a train ride. See, we're on a train ride. Choo choo, the butterfly train. All right. Hey, welcome and welcome back, all new subscribers, all existing subscribers. I really do appreciate you one and all. And this envelope is housing a dashboard that says the butterfly train. And I was introduced to this collaboration through a very good friend of mine. I call her my sis. I believe that in my heart she's my sis. And that's all it is, you guys. And I appreciate her and all who are involved in this butterfly train. And we have a group of some great channels, you guys. These ladies are awesome. And I really do appreciate them one and all. This group, the Butterfly Riders, you guys, I'm going to read them off real quick for you. And we have a conductor. And the conductor is at the Budgeting Butterfly. Car number 1, we have Blessed Budgets by Abigail. I'm trying to get the trains. Here we go. We have Blessed Budget by Abigail. Number 2, y'all, is Tina and Life. Number 3 is the Postal Planner. Number 4 is Coupe de Ville. Number 5, EMT, Dispatcher on a Budget. Car 6 is Craft and Budget with On. Car 7, Lovely Budgets, HK. Car 8, Lil's World. Car 9 is Sin on a Budget. Car 10 is Grammy's Journey. Car 11, you guys, is Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. And then we go on to the next page. We have car... Did I skip somebody? Nope. Car 12 is Neen's Budget. Car 13 is Traveling Chief 95. Car 14 is Frugality is Life. 15, My Girl, Boop and Budgets. Car 16 is Mumpshy Queen. 17 is Elaine Realized. Car 18 is Cash and Color Budget. Sorry about that, Clarissa. Car 19 is Myself, Money Boss in the Making. Car 20 is Mindy's Budgeting. Car 21 is Dreamy Budgets. 22, we have Forming New Habits. 23 is Overthinking and Budgeting. Car 24 is CBA Mom Saves. 25 is Lanybug Budgets. 26 is Budget to Blessings. 27 is Erica Makes Plans. And we do have some extra cars here on that, honey, we can save some money. So we gonna save some money. All right. Now, this butterfly train to me is a beautiful concept. The butterflies represent worms, or the blossom and turns into a butterfly. How beautiful is that? And the train, you guys. To become a train, you are connected to more than one car. Okay? And when you link up, there's a connection there. And this group of ladies here, in my opinion, is on a journey to learn and discover other new channels. And that's what my intentions are when I joined this, to join and learn about all these great channels, to help support them along this journey. We're seeing some beautiful channels here, you guys. And that's a connection. That's what happens when we link up. And that's a beautiful thing. I am so happy and proud of these ladies. I know we're not supposed to be proud, but I am impressed by these ladies, okay? And the wonderful things they're doing on these channels. And that is what enticed me to come on ride the train and save some money, okay? So I think we had a good common ground, and I appreciate all the wonderful things that this collaboration has done and is doing. So at the end of this train ride, you guys, there's going to be a giveaway. We have some prizes. Now, I'm not over the prize. And I don't know how much it is, but I know it's a decent amount, okay? So what you have to do, the rules are for you to be publicly subscribed, because they will check. Publicly subscribe to all the channels and comment on a video of the collaboration that says Butterfly Train. That's it. That's easy. That's cheap. To subscribe, like, comment, Butterfly Train. That's a win-win in my opinion. So, if you haven't subscribed to these channels, do so before it's too late. Because as you see, I'm a little behind, but I'm right here, and this is my week. So I got some making up to do through here. Okay? So, but you still have time. Go on, hit us all up. All of us. I'll list them all in the description, just to make sure you are subscribed. You have saw a video on each channel that has produced one, and comment Butterfly Train and ride it. Come on, ride this train and ride it. I have a lot of train songs. If that's not your deal, Night Train. Come on now. Come on. Gladys Knight in the Pips. Okay, we can keep going. Lord, let me stop before I get in trouble. Lord, I know I've been in trouble with some of the things I say, but oh my goodness. I just want to have fun and enjoy my time here on YouTube while I can, and learn some good saving skills. And this is a good fun a way to save some good money. You're going to see once I count it up where I am. So I am going to catch up to me right here, you guys, and I'm going to play some good hopefully train music while I color in the cars. Okay? Be right back. right, you guys. There we have it. We have up until car 19, which is my car. And now we are going to get this money. So that is 4, 10, 14, and 8 is 22, 28, 34, and 7 is 31. Nope, 41. Let me get my calculator. Oh, have mercy. What are you doing, Jones? Let's see. Okay, we have 4, 6, 4, 8, 6, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's $49. Okay. So let me get 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, 4, 6. I'll add it up again just to make sure I'm correct. I think that ink smell's getting to me. Okay, the 2 40s and the 5. Let's count this up really quick. We have 20, 40, 60, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 124. All right, you guys, and we'll be seeing this one soon and very soon. I'm sure of it. Card 20 is Mindy's budgeting. Okay, so look out for Mindy coming soon. And make sure again you are subscribed to all the channels and comment. Make sure your subscription sticks now. You have to at least watch a whole video, comment and like for the subscription to stick. And check if you're not sure. So to be entered in to win the giveaway, comment butterfly train. So thank you guys for spending some time with me. Oh, and look, you guys, I found when I went to the bank, I came out with 2 star notes. I just wanted to share that with y'all real quick, but that is my Friday freebie collaboration video. Thank you guys again, and enjoy your day, your weekend, your loved one. Think about all the good, positive things. We have enough negative things going on in this world. Yes, make it purposeful to find something good in it all. Have a good one, you guys. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.